Hey there, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a telecom technician, contractor, or DIYer who regularly works with 10 or 13 millimeter hex hardware, this tool is designed to make your job faster and easier. Today we're taking a look at the 10 and 13 millimeter ratcheting box wrench from Jonard Tools, part number ABW-R1013. This versatile wrench combines durability, efficiency, and comfort to help you tackle fastening jobs with ease. Here are some key features. Efficient ratcheting. The 12-point ratcheting mechanism delivers maximum torque while minimizing the need to reposition the wrench, allowing you to tighten or loosen hardware quickly in tight spaces. Dual size design. With both 10 and 13 millimeter box ends, this wrench gives you two commonly used sizes in a single compact tool. Durable construction. Forged from chrome-vanadium steel and polished to a high finish, this wrench is built for long-lasting performance on demanding jobs. Ergonomic comfort. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it provides a comfortable grip for both professional technicians and DIY users. And like all Jonard Tools products, the ABW-R1013 ratcheting box wrench is backed by a lifetime warranty, giving you confidence that it's built to last. And that's it for today's video. As always, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.